Okay guys, so I've had the truck now since Friday. Not really. I like how the design came out. As far as the B-roll, it's not too bad. I'm starting to see it now that I'm actually looking at it. It's a little design. You can see like little flaws in the designs and in the tubs. You can see, like if you look at right here, I think they could have been better in certain spots, like right here could have been better, but overall, like, I'm not too upset with the work. But now with having the tubs, the truck sits a lot lower, and now it's starting to really scrape my wheel. And before I left there, like, damn, I didn't even see this, my bed's starting to crack right there and right there. But before I left, I had told them to cut it. They cut it, but it's still hitting somewhere. And there's still like metal shavings right there, so they really didn't do a good job of cutting that. Then I took it, as you can see, like the bad little right here, because I took it to Big Boys the other day, and they cut right here some more. So where that to make sure that wasn't rubbing, because I really thought that was what was rubbing. Didn't even think about that inside still been rubbing, because I asked them to cut that, but I guess they didn't. So that one's starting to rub, and it also starting to do the same thing on this wheel. So I did ask them to cut it, so I'm really not too happy with that. But at the same time, I don't think the rear end was narrowed enough for it to be this low. I think the rear end should have been pushed in a little more, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just thinking too much into it, but I think, like, really, like, if I wanted to ride this low and it's still rubbing, I wouldn't be able to ride this low. It keeps scratching on my wheels, and like I said earlier, the wheels are sold, so I can't keep driving on the wheels, scratching them up, and the wheels sold, and the previous owner try to back out. Because coming Monday, I order my new wheels. So I'm already using that money that I sold these wheels. The money I'm getting from these wheels is what I'm using to order the new wheels. But everybody don't think it's gonna be a show season, because they're starting to slowly shut DFW back down, and Summer Truck Invasion is next month. Might not happen. Brandeis is the next month after that. A lot of people don't think that's gonna happen, and that guy's had some bad luck with that show. I think every year he's had to reschedule that show. Like, so I really hope that show goes through for him, but if it got to get rescheduled again, it's nothing new. This is not the first time it's gonna happen for that show. But I need to get that part figured out, because I want to cruise, I want to be able to drive it and not have to worry about it scratching up this wheel. The front tubs are fine though. Front tubs are good. Have no issues out of there. No issues out of the front tubs. They could have did a better job of shaving though, no lie. Shaving some of this stuff, but overall, no issues. I still got to take this light back to Weezy over here. He said he'll be back at work on Monday, so take that one back to him, see what happened with that one. That wasn't there. That wasn't there. That wasn't there. So yeah, next time I'm gonna just wait. If it wasn't for show season, I probably would have waited for the other guy to do the tubs, but I gotta drive. I gotta be able to drive it, so I went ahead and got it done. Like I say, the work it's not too bad. I'm just not happy with it's still rubbing and the cutting that they did, and not shaving stuff like they're supposed to. Like, I didn't rush them. The truck was there 3 weeks, so it's like could have did a better job, but oh well.
Yeah, man, that's a hook. Yeah, man. Fucking Billy. Hey, that shit punched me in my throat.
Fuck. That shit hit me in my shin.
That's all it does? Here, hold this. I'll be right. Let me see one more thing.
Is that all it's doing, nigga?
Yeah, I guess so.
Gay. That was weak. Gotta make sure ain't no cops coming though. You hear the sirens.
Watch out, cousin.
Oh shit, nigga, watch out.
You a hoe. Found it. It says Bud the Boom. Go.
At least a Bud the Boom.
That's it.
Damn.
That shit hit me.
Fuck that shit stink.
Here, Kendrick, you got it?
Yeah, nah, bitch, you wanna hold it?
Gangsta shit right there, son. I better get down before I start showing the rocks.
Oh shit. You like? We got two famous guys here today, guys. We got DFW Media, South Forward Detailing. About to do some crazy shit. They gotta be badass, so the detail gotta be badass, buddy. Okay? Hopefully. This fucker here. Damn, look at that setup though.
I ain't stable right now, but possibly.
That's one thing I hate about that shit.
Like,
adjusting that shit
every time I take it out, bro, it's like if it's a whole new camera, bro. Like,
every single time.
every single time. I hate it. That's why I want that quick release so I can just snap it back on and all that live.
So today, guys, we're out here. We're gonna start the video with DFW Media. We're gonna finish it, continue it tomorrow, and finish it tomorrow. Today, we're gonna start with the detail. My boy South Forward Detailing is gonna do detail on the truck. We got Chris here to get the detail of it, probably a little bit more. We're gonna be moving and stuff. Come back tomorrow, I'm gonna get the wheels polished because, as I know, they was getting scratched up on my bed because when they put the tubs, they dropped it too low. Well, it didn't drop it. It dropped low, and they didn't cut it like how they were asked to. But so we're gonna gotta get the wheel repolished. As you know, the wheels are sold, so I don't want to keep messing that guy's wheels up. But I do want to get videos and photos. Right now he's getting the camera set up. We're gonna get it detailed, get it recorded. Go from there. Hopefully it'll be a badass video. My boy already one truck down.
Another one to go.
This gonna go viral though. Just like the other video we did.
Yeah.
This bitch went viral if I was nowhere.
California.
So what's up, guys? It's back at Sunday. While we wait on Chris, because I know that nigga sleeping in, we just found a spot, posted up. The homeboy came out, the Blue 17. Came out, take some video, pictures of the truck. Y'all go check out his YouTube channel. Drop my damn phone. Got his looks. But yeah, we're waiting on Chris and El Cuz, because El Cuz on his way too. Didn't get the wheels polished. Fuck, I was supposed to get the wheels polished, but I didn't get them polished because I know the guys. It's fucking 4th of July. I know everybody's sleeping in. So it came to the point where I'm not even gonna bother people. The guy hit me up, said, "You still want it polished?" I'm like, "Nah." I ain't even reply. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'll polish it before a show or something, but I'm gonna leave it alone for now. We still gotta cut the bed more because it's still rubbing somewhere. Especially on that other side over there, it's still rubbing like crazy. Oh, there go El Cut right there. Oh, there with no shirt on yesterday, bitch. What you doing no shirt on?
Hey, it was hot. Ain't gonna lie.
You had your pants rolled up, no socks on, no shoes on.
Hey, I was swimming though.
This nigga talking swimming though.
Hey, I jumped in the lake with my pants on.
Oh, that's the little white girl from the other day. That's his white girl. Hey, y'all better leave his white girl alone. Y'all can't hit her up. This is his white girl.
Yeah. Hey, look, she got TR shirt on.
Right? Everybody support TR.
Yeah.
Okay, we ain't doing all that smooching stuff on the YouTube, man. We're two up and coming YouTubers in Fort Worth. We from Fort Worth, guys. Just some Fort Worth YouTubers out here, middle of downtown, not doing a damn thing. It is Sunday. It's hot in the motherfucker. Happy belated 4th of July to everybody. Cause I don't think I told it. I didn't think I did a video of that yesterday. But happy belated 4th of July to everybody. Hope everybody had fun. Hope nobody hurt themselves. I seen one fool, he fucking tore his skin off his goddamn arm. I don't know what the fuck you were doing, but you need to stop that. But yeah, it's fucking hot out here. It's really hot. A damn. Oh, for people that don't know, I do got a tattoo now. Tattoo on my arm. Motherfucker's burning right now. The sun's burning the shit out of it. I didn't put no cream on the motherfucker. Hell, cuz being a bad influence. What the? Deep Ellum, what the fuck is that?